The nutritional powerhouse, flax seeds and their many benefits. If you're looking for a superfood, flax seeds are one of the best because they have so many health benefits. People have respected these tiny, golden brown seeds for hundreds of years. And their high nutritional value is making them more popular in modern diets. This video will talk about where flax seeds come from, what they are made of, their health benefits, and all the different ways they can be used. Background and types. Linum usitatissimum, the formal name for flax seeds, has been used for a very long time. These seeds come from the Middle East and have been grown for their oil and fiber. Flax is grown all over the world now, but Canada, Russia, and China are the main ones. Flax seeds come in two main types, brown and yellow. Flax seeds that are brown are the most common type and have a sweet taste. Golden flax seeds, on the other hand, are a little lighter in color and taste a little less strong. The health benefits of both types are about the same, but some people may prefer one over the other because they taste better. What the nutrition facts say. Flax seeds are a nutritional wonder because they are full of important nutrients that are good for your health. Here is a list of the most important parts. 1. Fatty acids called omega-3s. People love flax seeds because they have a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. It is very important for your heart, brain, and inflammation to have these vital fatty acids. 2. Fiber in the diet. Flax seeds are a great way to get both soluble and insoluble fiber. This makes them a great addition to plans for weight loss because they help with digestion, keep blood sugar levels in check, and make you feel full. 3. Proteins. Due to the fact that flax seeds are made from plants, they are a great choice for vegans and vegetarians. As a result, the protein helps muscles grow and heal. 4. The lignans. High amounts of lignans are found in flax seeds. Lignans are antioxidant chemicals that may help fight cancer. Lignans also help keep the body's hormones in order. 5. Minerals and vitamins. Flax seeds have many minerals and vitamins in them, such as magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, and B vitamins. These nutrients are very important for many body processes, like keeping bones healthy and using energy. Good for your health. 1. Health of the heart. Flax seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids that are good for your heart because they lower inflammation, raise HDL, and lower blood pressure. Heart diseases may be less likely to happen if you drink it regularly. 2. Healthy digestive system. Flax seeds have a lot of fiber, which helps keep your digestive system normal and keeps you from getting constipated. A healthy gut flora is supported by both soluble and insoluble fiber. 3. Taking care of your weight. Flax nuts contain fiber and protein, which make you feel full. This can help you control your weight by lowering the number of calories you eat. 4. Brain function. Omega-3 fatty acids, especially ALA, are very important for brain health and the ability to think and remember things. Adding flax seeds to your diet might help you remember things and focus. 5. Properties that reduce inflammation. Flax seeds contain lignans and omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation. This makes them good for people with inflammatory diseases like arthritis. Wide range of uses. Flax seeds are easy to add to your diet because they can be used in many ways. Here are some fun ways to eat flax seeds. Milkshakes. Adding a tablespoon of ground flax seeds to your drink in the morning will make it healthier without making it taste very different. Baking. To add extra nutrients to baked goods, add ground flax seeds to the recipe. They are great in pancakes, muffins, and even breakfast bars you make yourself. Topping for yogurt or oatmeal. You can add whole or ground flax seeds to yogurt, pancakes, or cereal to make it crunchier and taste nuttier. Add a healthy touch to your salads by mixing ground flax seeds into salad sauces or sprinkling them on top of them. Another egg. Ground flax seeds mixed with water can be used in place of eggs in baking recipes. This is very helpful for people who are allergic to eggs or who are eating only plants. Flax seeds should be a part of everyone's diet because they are very healthy and full of nutrients. These tiny seeds are very beneficial for your health. They help your stomach and brain work better. There are many easy and tasty ways to improve your health with flax seeds. You can sprinkle them on your yogurt in the morning. blend them into a drink, or use them in baking. Follow the ancient knowledge that knew how valuable flax seeds were, and make them a regular part of your modern, health-conscious life. A healthy meal with flax seeds that you can eat every day. This flaxseed and berry smoothie recipe is easy to make and good for you. You can enjoy it every day. Shake with flaxseed and berries. What you need: 1 cup of berries like raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries. 1 banana that's ripe. 1 tablespoon of flax seed flour. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, or a dairy-free yogurt if you're a veggie. 1 cup spinach leaves. 1/2 cup almond milk. Here are the steps. 1. Get all of the ingredients ready. Make sure the berries are clean. Cut the ripe banana into slices. Use a coffee grinder or a mixer to grind the flax seeds if you haven't already. 2. Put the ingredients in a blender. Put the mixed berries, banana slices, ground flax seeds, Greek yogurt, spinach leaves, and almond milk in a blender. Blend the ingredients on high speed until the result is smooth and creamy. You can add a few ice cubes and blend again if you'd like your drink to be colder. 3. Make changes to the consistency. As you go, you can add a little more almond milk at a time until the smoothie is the right consistency. 4. Serve and have fun. Put the juice in a bowl or glass. Add some whole flax seeds on top to make it look better and give it more structure. 5. Additions that aren't required. Add a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup to your drink to make it your own. If you want to make it higher in protein, add a scoop of protein powder. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds to get even more antioxidants. Not only does this flaxseed and berry smoothie taste great, but it's also a great way to get the many health benefits of flax seeds every day. Berries and flax seeds together provide important vitamins and antioxidants. Flax seeds also provide fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Start your day off with a burst of energy and vitality by drinking this smoothie for breakfast, or as a pleasant snack. It's full of healthy nutrients. When should you be careful with flaxseed? Flax seeds are good for you in many ways, but some people should be careful with them or stay away from them in certain scenarios. If you fit any of these descriptions, you should be aware of possible problems and talk to a medical professional. 1. Conditions that are sensitive to hormones. Flax seeds have chemicals in them called lignans. These chemicals are antioxidants and can have weak estrogenic effects. People who have diseases that are sensitive to hormones, like breast cancer, ovarian cancer, uterine fibroids, or endometriosis, should talk to their doctor before adding flax seeds to their diet. 2. Being pregnant and breastfeeding. Women who are pregnant or nursing should talk to their doctor before adding flax seeds to their diet. Fish oil from flax seeds is good for you, but some people might be worried about the way lignans can affect their hormones. 3. Problems with digestion. Some people may have stomach problems, like bloating or gas, after eating flax seeds. To give your digestive system time to get used to it, it's best to start with a small amount and slowly raise it. You can also lessen these effects by drinking a lot of water. 4. Problems with blood clotting. Flax nuts have omega-3 fatty acids in them, which help keep blood clots from forming. For people who have problems with blood clotting or who take anticoagulant drugs, blood thinners, talking to their doctor before eating a lot of flax seeds is recommended. 5. Having allergies. Flax seeds don't usually cause reactions, but people who are allergic to seeds should be careful around them. Flax seeds rarely cause allergic reactions, but they can happen. Before adding flax seeds to your diet, you should talk to a doctor or nurse if you know you are allergic to seeds. 6. Interactions between medicines. Flax seeds might not work well with some medicines. People who take medicines for diabetes, high blood pressure, or hormone-related diseases should talk to their doctor to make sure there aren't any bad effects. What is diverticulitis? Some people worry that the small size of flax seeds could make diverticulitis or diverticulosis worse. That person should talk to their doctor about adding flax seeds to their diet if they have any of these health problems. It's important to know that flax seeds can have different effects on different people. If you are worried about your health or have a medical problem, you should talk to a doctor before making big changes to your diet. Also, balance is important, and most experts say to start with small amounts of flax seeds. and see how your body reacts. We hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to support us. Hope to meet again with new content.